Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a tweet that you have posted on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should either open your or go to your home page, and here you can see your post, or go to your profile, then tap on the tweet section, and here you will be able to find all of your tweets, and then you should select the one that you would like to get rid of. All you have to do is tapping on the three dots icon, the more button in the upper right corner of your tweet, and then tap on the first button, which is delete. As you can see, this cannot be undone and it will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any accounts that follow you, and from Twitter's search results. So if you are sure that you would like to delete your tweet, click on the delete button, and as you can see down below it says your tweet was deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.